10 years ago, Kristen Stafford received her MPH in Public Health Policy and Management from the Johns Hopkins Bloomberg School of Public Health. She flew off to work for the President's Emergency Plan for AIDS Relief, PEPFAR, a funded care and treatment program spanning 8 countries in sub-Saharan Africa. After 6.5 years of being in airplanes, her adventures abroad paused, but another began in Baltimore as she started a PhD in epidemiology. She found the program through her boss at the time, Dr. Robert Redfield, Chief of Infectious Diseases and Director of HIV Programs at the University of Maryland Medical Center. He is currently funding her PhD and is also on her dissertation committee.
Dr. Redfield, when I expressed that I wanted to continue my education, it set me up with a meeting with Dr. Magaziner and then with Dr. Langenberg to discuss the program and what it offered. And I think meeting the two of them and seeing the type of leadership that was directing the vision and kind of culture of the program here is what really solidified my decision to pursue my PhD here at Maryland.
It was her mentors in EPH who guided her through her dissertation topic on the effective age on HIV treatment outcomes in sub-Saharan Africa.
My department and my committee chair is Dr. Mona Baumgarten. I've been working with her as my committee chair. I'm lucky enough to also have Dr. Laura Hungerford on my dissertation committee, Dr. Samuel Kamari, Dr. Lawrence Magder, Dr. Jack Goralnik. That's been fantastic. Luckily, they're incredibly patient and highly invested in making sure that I'm getting a great deal out of the program and that this is meeting my career goals for when I'm done.
One afternoon, Stafford got a call from the academic program coordinator and found out she had been nominated and selected by the committee to receive the Elaine Otani Award, which is awarded to a student who shows promise as an independent investigator and exhibits collegiality towards other students in the spirit of Elaine Otani.
There are so many amazing students in each of these programs, really bright, really motivated, really collegial. So I guess to be singled out is, like I said, it's humbling. It's really nice to know that my department feels like I'm contributing to the learning experience here.
Stafford later also received the Trudy Bush Award for demonstrated excellence in an area of women's health or epidemiologic research. Asked what she would do with the awarded funds, Stafford had immediate ways to put the money to use.
I actually need a new computer. I think it's going to allow me to finish my dissertation because every time I turn around, my hard drive is telling me that it's ready to give up the ghost. So I think this will allow me to get a new computer so I can actually finish my dissertation and graduate.
Stafford reflected on how it was to make such a drastic pivot in her career to go back to school.
I've never been a particularly good student, so the idea of studying was challenging, definitely. And it was a new area for me. My MPH is actually in health policy and management, not in epidemiology. So the quantitative nature of this program has definitely been a welcome and needed challenge for my growth.